Silver King tractors were produced by the Fate-Ruth Heath Company in Plymouth, Ohio, beginning in 1933. The first tractor produced was called the Plymouth Tractor and was powered by an IXA Hercules engine. The 4-speed transmission had a top speed of 25 miles per hour. After more than 200 of these built, the Chrysler Corporation, who had begun making a Plymouth car, sued the Fate-Ruth Heath Company and earned the right to use the Plymouth name. All tractors built in the plant after the serial number 314 would carry the Silver King name. Fate-Ruth Heath Company produced several models, manufacturing a total of 8,720 tractors until they ceased production in 1954. Earlier this year, we brought my Silver King in the workshop to restore the tractor. We knew of several problems before going underway. The main seal was leaking, the transmission was frozen, the reverse gear didn't work, and the tires and fenders needed to be replaced. We sent the oil pan and cover to the machinist to cut out the fitting to replace the cork seal with a main seal. We started to disassemble the tractor further. The transmission gears rails were frozen, and the gears in the transmission were a little rusty from the water leaking into it. We flushed out the transmission with diesel fuel, which seemed to clean it fairly well. After doing some digging, the only way to reach the reverse gear is to take the whole transmission apart. Shortly after some more disassembly, we found the reverse gear bushing was shot and needed to be replaced. My uncle found some tires to replace the big truck tires, which turned out really well. The tractor and rims were paint stripped and primed. After being wet sanded, the rims were painted IH red and the tractor was painted silver shortly after. The tractor's first drive was at the beginning of August, which was also brought to a memorial parade for a local farmer. But the tractor wasn't done yet. We bought some fresh steel from a local business and plasma cut the pieces for the fender out. The top part of the fender was sent to get rolled. We welded the pieces together, primed, and painted them silver. The front tires were also replaced with 5.5 by 16 farm tires, which really made a difference in the height of the tractor. My 1937 R44 Silver King was finally done at the end of August 2020, looking better than from the factory.